This is the Irontrader. Now the pitch is closed here, at 2:30, about a half hour ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not recognition to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like to subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, what do we have here? Okay, today, she just rocketed lower, but look at that green candle. It just bounced right off. Now, today's low here was 82.08. So if we look to the left of the candle here, okay, so what you have, your low was 82.15. Okay, and then right below that here is your 81.51. So it never really made it to this 81.51. It came just a little bit lower than that and then bounced right on off. All right, so now, well, let's just look at the downside here first. So what you want to do is look at this candle here, okay? So you got 84.67. Then we want to come to this candle here. It's 83.35. And then we have today's low at 82. This candle here, yesterday's low at 82.94. And then we come to this candle right here. You're looking at 82.31. And then we come to this candle that we had today was 82.08. Below that is 81.50. Now, never made it there, but you can see where you have pretty good support level right there. It's not going to go always exact. It might go lower, but you can see how it is bounced right off of that. Again, now, if it comes down here tomorrow here and gets below that 81.50, well, then we know where she's going to go here. Then we look at this 21 SMA here. That's 81.17 here. And then we look over here to this 100-day. You're looking at 80.64. Then we have your 50-day at 78.25, and then this is the target here, 78.16. If that 81.15 is off, that's your big boy target right there. Now, on the upside, this is going to be a tough one right here now. So what you really have to do here is you have to look at this 50-day, 86.06. Very, very crucial level. If you can get above that, then we have your 8-day right there, 86.81, and then right above that here, 86.93. But you can see this 8-day, how it folded right over. See that? See, it didn't blast above that 21-day. As the 21 days coming off, it didn't blast above that like it did here with the 50. It circled down. So this is going to be very, very tough resistance. This 50, this 8, this 21. Now, if we can get above that here, well, then we just follow these candles right on up here. Okay, you got 85.35 here. You have 88.57, you have 89.54, and then your retest up there at the recent high is 89.85. That would be the target. However, you need to close above the 50, the 8, and the 21-day. Now, this was some really, really good scalping here today, but you had to be sit there in front of your computer today. Now, I scalped the UCO here today. I didn't get the low. The low was 32.24. I got in at 32.50. And I'm still holding it. So I'm up there 2 points right now, but we got to see what's going to take place here once you get this at the 50 SMA here. That is going to be very, very crucial. So what you want to do is look at the when the futures open here today at 6 o'clock, see where that next candle is going to go. Is it going to come and blast up in there, or it's going to go sideways and come right on down? So right now here, you got a nice trading range here right between. Actually, we could go right between here now and right there. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out. But again, just quick review, watch the 50, the 8, the 21. That is your key upside. If you can go higher, follow the candles all the way up until this candle right there at 89.85. Downside, watch yesterday's low, today's low, and then your retest 81.50. Now, here on your weekly chart here, right there, see, came right on down here, holding it very, very nicely, okay? So now you're back above here, but now you have to watch this 8 SMA, okay? 87.97, your real-time price right now is 85.43. So that is going to be resistance here. This 100 SMA is going to be resistance, 86.45. So those are the two key on the upside, 100 and your 8 SMA on the upside. And then you could have a possible retest of that one. That's that 89.85 right there, okay? Downside, well, you got to watch your 21-day here and then your 50-day. That would be the downside. But it just looks like right now we've got some sideways action. Now look at the RSI here. Well, you know, she's picking right back up here again here. Your MACD here, well, your green is still below your red here, so that's pretty that's negative right now until if you can break above these key SMAs, then that'll curl right back up here and should go higher. But again, it doesn't make any difference. Long or short, the key is making money. That's all we care about. So you look at the RSI here; she's rolling over, but it's not too bad right now. And right here, you still have a bullish cross. The green is above the red, but if it curls over, then that's not looking pretty good. That's not looking too good at all. Okay. So, all right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. All right, natty gas, your daily and your weekly chart. Okay, well, you came down, you're holding this 8 SMA, 2.91. Natural gas here got as low today as 2.95 and as high as 3.03. Not really much doing there today. UNG here, I didn't even scalp it today. I stuck with the oil. The low was 692 and the top was 7.06. So we got to see how it shakes out. But the big thing is right here. Just like I pointed out this morning's video, is going to be this 8 SMA here. Okay, this needs to be closing above here big time. Okay, so if you can close it up, you're hanging right around it right now. If you can get above that, then we'll look to today's high. Okay, that's 303, and then we look to this 30086, and then we come over to this 50-day right here at 3.096. Okay, that is going to be crucial. So you got a lot of big time resistance here. But again, if you can get above and hold above and close, I say key is closing numbers above this 3.09 at 50-day, then we just ratchet right on up to here. Okay, 3.13, then you have 3.158, and then this is going to be very key, 3.185. There's your gap. Look to the bottom of this candle, 3.20. There's your fill. Gap, fill. Okay, again, if you can rise up here, then we look to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 3.29, the top. Looking at 3.34, and then we have 3.42, 3.45, and you retest 3.47. Very, very nice. Now, there's supposed to be a big winter storm coming in here. So, this could really, really rip you up higher. I'm going to see here when the futures open here after 6 o'clock. I might take a long position in the UNG here. We got to see if you can get above this 8 SMA here. But right now, you got 3 nice green candles with a nice series of higher highs looking very, very good. So we have the RSI here looking good. Plenty of room to run. The MACD looks like it wants a crossover. We've got to see how that's all going to shake out here. So again, watch your key 8, 21, 50. Above that, then we just layer right on up here. Your big retest, 3.47. Now, downside. Say you can't get to that 8-day. Well, then what we do is look today's bottom of today's candle, okay? That's 2.95. And then we look to yesterday's candle. That's 2.87. And then right to this candle here, you're looking at 2.86. And then right below that here, you've got your 2.83. Then we have this candle here, which is your gap, 2.82. There's your fill, 2.66, gap, fill. Okay, and then you have your 100-day in between that there. And then you can come down to your fill area here. But, we got to see. It's all about this 8-day. I know he doesn't look like much, but he's tough as hell, that old 8-day, So we got to see how it's all going to shake up. So now we know exactly upside, key SMAs, downside, bottom of the candles, and the 50 SMA. All right. I'll have more for you tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock. And thanks for watching.